I'm going to go out on a limb here and say you don't need an explanation of what a die grinder is. We all know what they're for and how they're useful and necessary when you're fixing things. Whether you're a mechanic, technician, or fabricator, these are daily use tools. And something I'll bet you'll agree with is having a few different types can only make your job easier. AirCat is known for more power and half the noise. And they're known for their air tools designed with productivity in mind, which brings me to the 3 grinders I have here, any of which just might earn a spot in your toolbox. Let me start with the 6205 Mini Straight Die Grinder. Super compact at only 4.8 inches long and very low weight at only 3/4 of a pound. The ergonomically designed composite grip, safety lock trigger, 0.3 horsepower motor that produces free speeds of 25,000 RPM are specs that speak for themselves. Next up is the 6250 Angle Die Grinder. It's compact but mighty. It features a compact design with a 0.3 horsepower motor, an 18,000 RPM free speed, low weight composite housing, and a durable aluminum head. The precision bearing and bevel gears reduce vibration and spindle runout while eliminating stalls. The precision 3-piece collet ensures secure accessory retention, and built-in silencing reduces noises to 81 decibels. And finally, this is the 6220 2-inch angle grinder that features a 0.5 horsepower motor which produces a 15,000 RPM free speed. The tuned exhaust reduces noises down to 81 decibels, and the high-grade steel internal bearings, along with a variable speed trigger with a safety lock, complements the ergonomically designed composite housing. It comes with a grinder wheel and is a great size for tight spots. It also comes with a 2-inch roll-lock sanding pad adapter, enabling it to be 2 tools in one. All 3 of these grinders feature the quality you expect from AirCat, along with a 2-year warranty. If you'd like more information on these or any of AirCat's other pneumatic tools, visit aircat.com. Thanks for watching.